Are you trying to sign into your Microsoft account, but you keep getting that annoying message saying that verification method isn't working right now? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you several quick, proven fixes that work. Stick with me because one of these will solve it for you. First, let's break down the issue. This error usually appears when Microsoft can't confirm your identity through your current verification option, especially when using Windows. Hello, phone verification, or email codes. It can be caused by browser problems, outdated sessions, or even a temporary server glitch. But luckily, the fixes are simple. The first thing you can do is head over to your browser and search Microsoft Support. Once you're on their official page, scroll down to the Contact section. Choose the correct category like Account and Security and request live assistance. Microsoft agents can help refresh verification options or manually verify your identity if needed. But before reaching out, try this powerful fix, clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Just click the three-dot menu. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you check cache images and files, and cookies and other site data. Hit Delete Data, restart your browser, and try verifying again. This alone solves the problem for most users. If the error still pops up, don't worry. Let's add an alternative verification method. Sign into your Microsoft account through your browser, go to Security Settings, and add a new sign-in option. You can use another email, a different phone number, or even the Microsoft Authenticator app. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the new method, then try signing in again. Another quick trick is using incognito or private mode. This avoids conflicting cookies or cached login sessions. Just open a private window and repeat the verification steps. Still no luck? Then try switching browsers. Sometimes Microsoft gets picky with certain browser setups, so try Edge, Firefox, Chrome, or Opera. A simple browser switch can immediately fix the verification loop. And finally, if none of these work, the issue might not be on your side at all. Microsoft servers do experience temporary outages. In that case, give it some time and retry later. So that's how you fix the verification method isn't working right now. Error. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which method solved it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.